Hello friends of the computer animation world, the beauty of CGI, computer graphic imaging. Here is a brief tutorial about how to achieve wonderful structures, abstract structures, which are totally useless in the pragmatic field of precise, realistic modeling like guns or houses for architecture. They're just useless, but you can put them in museums if you like. Just very briefly, it's about light and abstract shapes, and I hope you will like it. It's only a couple of minutes and then we're done. Okay, we create this with this icon here in the polygon modeling world. Right mouse click a spherical harmonics object, which is this sphere. Now we'll apply an Arnold shader, so assign new material, go to Arnold, go to standard surface shader, so it turns out to be grayish, almost white. Now, in order to render it, we will create a light called a sky dome light, which is pretty bright and wraps around the whole scene. If we render it now, it's this what we get. That's fine. And now we'll pick this object, go to the Poly Super Shape node here, and click on Random. So it gives us this random object here. Now we go to View, Camera Settings, and Resolution Gate. It shows us the rendering area, the render area, so to say. We can leave it like this. And now let's render this. And it's already a beautiful shape. I prefer it to be even more abstract. And the only thing I'm doing here is I raise the intensity of the sky dome light just a little bit, like this. So this is the first random image basically we get from this process here. I click on the object again, go to Poly Super Shape and change the randomness, change it to another figure or another one like this, or this one, or this one. Now I need to adjust the camera, and of course I can rotate the object or do other things with it. Of course you can use more lights now in the scene, but this overexposure is quite nice to have, and the structure looks so abstract the more you raise the intensity of the sky dome light. I raise it a little bit further up from 1.2 to say 1.4. And give Arnold a little bit of time for rendering, which it does all right. Now I pick the super shape again, go to this tab, create another random structure like this. Give it time to render, to clean up the grain. Do it another time. Now I can rotate the object because it's sort of symmetrical here. Rotate it just a little bit like this. Then we get this structure. I click on Random again. The standard surface shader, you can go to the surface shader tab here and reduce the specularity to 0. So it's behaving a little bit like a Lambert shader. And you go back to the super shape, press Random again, and you get this structure. So it's all done with one light, with one object, and basically nothing else.